Hello everyone, this is my machine learning journey, week 2 and 3 updates. So I started working on machine learning and data engineering Zoomcamp at the same time, but for week 1 I did not give any updates on my data engineering path, but I'm mainly doing ML to learn how to build the models and also doing the data engineering to get a good overview of how to get data to the models. So let's dive into the machine learning stuff that I did for those weeks. So I completed module 1 homework, and over here on my GitHub page, I used pandas and numpy to analyze the car fuel efficiency data set. So I looked at things like finding how many records are in the data set, looking at the unique types in the data set, also doing a little bit of cleanup, and towards the end, um, I implemented linear regression. Now on to the data engineering stuff that I did. I also completed the module 1 data engineering homework, and I used Docker container to answer most of the questions, as you can see over here. And also there was some part where I had to use pandas to analyze some data set. So I did that on Jupyter Notebook, which I have over here. So this helped me solidify the things that I learned, which was really good because I had some hands-on learning exercises. And one of the questions from the data engineering homework also had an exercise where we had to use Terraform with the cloud provider, but I went with AWS instead of GCP, Google Cloud Provider. But yeah, I wrote some Terraform code to provision resources and also created some Terraform variables, which I referenced in my um, main homework TF file. I also worked on PostgreSQL, and I I'm using SQL Zoo to get more hands-on practice. I already have some good understanding of SQL already, but I just wanted to get some refreshers. So I'm using SQL Zoo to um, familiarize myself with the syntax again and get the basics down. Things that I'm doing differently. So I decided to go with AWS, and this is more of a personal choice. But I also went with Airflow instead of Kestra as an orchestration tool or platform. But this is something that I've seen more common in production, so I decided to go with Airflow instead. And I noticed the course also used Airflow back in 2021, I believe. So I've been utilizing those resources in that section, but I just started working on this um, module, but I'll keep you guys updated in the next video. So, some challenges. So, I've been translating the GCP instructions to AWS, and I've been using AI assistant for help. And also, right now I'm balancing the work up with learning, so it kind of takes some of my time. But yeah, work up ends this month, so I should be able to get back into uh, fully learning again. So next week, I plan on finishing the car predictor project that I'm currently working on. Also, need to complete module 2 of ML, complete module 2 of data engineering, and also wrap up my SQL Zoo practice. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video.